Hi guys, I don't know actually if I should do vlog today, but yeah, it's quite a simple day to be honest because there's no class today because the exam is around the corner. So I'm going to library to study with Noha, and yeah, I guess that I will remember. I want to remember this. I just block it out. A very simple one though. But first, I'm going to Baronochki to buy some breakfast for me. Actually, I don't want to spend any money today, but I will. I don't want to starve while studying. So yeah, tahun ni kita orang ada exam. Where exam? We have 5 exams to be honest, and the one that scares me the most is sea farm, hospital surgery, hospital therapy. Trauma is because I don't study really good actually. So yeah, dah sampai. Okay, bye. Aduh, tak tahu nak beli apa. I don't think that look appetizing though. I don't want to buy it. Don't want to buy it lah. So I just go to the library. So the library name is Gorky Library. It's quite far from my house if you walk lah. Not that far lah, but well, I think 2 blocks away. 2.5 blocks away. 15 minutes walk. Yeah. Should I cross? Cross that. There's some pie. This is the library though. So this is the library, but I think I want to buy some food lah. Aku rasa aku lapar sangat. Tak tahu nak ada sampai ke belum. Macam dah. Tapi we will get some coffee dekat library. Ada cafe, tapi kat situ tak ada makanan, so go and buy some. Library. Sampai. Ada. This is the cafe near the library. It's good here. Здравствуйте. Можно два заварные кольца? Спасибо. So I just bought Zavarnoye Kotsa. Ni macam cream puff tapi it's ringed. Bigger lah. Buy for Noha also. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not though. This is 6th season though, to be honest. Semua orang sakit. Yeah. I have a strong immune, to be honest. Ayo. So we're in the library. Actually library kat sini dia tak besar gila. Mesti tak ramai orang. That's what I like. see. Ni tingkat 2. And dia macam ada banyak section macam display. So people can enjoy sitting anywhere. Sini pun boleh. So kita selalu solat kat situ, belakang tangga. Ataupun solat je tempat yang kita selalu duduk. Let's go. Tingkat 3. Aku sepas liki hari ni. Tapi sebab nak senang solat ni pasal keep it simple. Astaghfirullah. Apa penat sangat aku ni. Okay, aku tengok. Okay, this is third etage. So big, right? Wait, I show front. So I don't want to go. So, kat tengah tu ada banyak. Wow, ada apa ni? Ya, aku sumpah mengah. Pasal jalan sekejap je. Ya Allah. Okay, let's go. 3-4. So, yang selalu rajin pergi biasanya Noha, Mendra, aku je. Dia dah tukar lah tempat. Astaga. So we like this place so much because this place is so freaking big and there's no one. You see? It's so big. Itu tempat kita orang selalu belajar. And we are on 4th floor. And wait, I'll show you guys. It's so big. Like, wait. Dekat bawah ni biasanya ada tempat belajar juga. Tapi hari ni ada event. Wow, interesting. I think we'll go check it out later. So tak ramai orang. We always use this place because of the view and because this place is so spacious. And 3 orang je belajar kat sini. And there's outlet too. Lepas tu kat dalam ni pun ada tempat lagi actually. Banyak gila tempat tapi tak ada orang. See? So nice, right? Ya Allah, aku tak suara. Yeah. I love it so much here. And I think the others also love it. Ya Allah, tak suara. Yeah, this is the view. Time petang sumpah cantik. So kita orang belajar kat sini. Lepas tu kat sini, biasa kita orang solat kat sini sebab tak ada siapa kisah. Tak ada orang pun weh. See? No one cares. We love it here because of this. I want to kind of keep this, but it's a good place to study. And let's go to live here. Oh my God. Hey! No. Kau dah sana?
Ya, ada tumbuh-tumbuhan.
You wanna go see later? Say hi.
Nek. Melinda. Kacang.
Aku pun belikan something. Aku nak beli kopi kat sini.
Tak ada. Sejak ni.
Stress.
Sejak ni kau mostly macam guna ChatGPT je, DeepSeek je.
Yes and no.
Cikgu macam buat.
ChatGPT untuk summarize kan lah. Tapi okay je kot. Macam tu, macam kalau kau tak ingat macam spesifik features yang cikgu ajar, itulah kau buka balik PPT. Tapi aku tak baca PPT sebab kadang PPT macam
Funny.
cekik.
Okay. Lima. Keling. Ya itulah cakap. Aku tak tahu lah. Aku rasa aku ambil basic je kot.
Kan?
Tapi kalau masih nak tanya, tanya lah. Which jangan. Sensitive. Tapi aku dah tanya dah question tu dekat Vanika semua orang tak ada lah. Stefan punya.
Siapa buat? Kenapa
Vanika. Dia selalu ada.
Oh ya. Habis guna.
Aku guna yang dekat Dropbox tu. Translate lah.
Translate?
Sebab dia Russian. So tengok.
Kita nak cari kopi. Cari kopi. Tutup Bukanlah. Tutup ke? Bukanlah. Jom. Comelnya. Aku tadi ingatkan dia tutup guna.
Lagi dia kau tengah record.
Aku ingatkan dia tutup guna tempat ni. Sumpah cantik. It got rough. So kita ada banyak sebenarnya. And what actually. So first, Africa Street. First Indo. Kita dah habis belajar. Let's go. Balik. Apa?
Masuk pagi keluar malam. Yeh, tak selesa.
Bye.
Bye. Jumpa esok.
Okay. Bye.
Baik-baik.
Okay. Ya, jom balik. Dah malam. Bye guys.